Hello, good day. Today I'm here for course EOS 3206 Industrial Safety and Emergency Response. Assignment 2 Asset Identification, Risk Assessment and Risk Control at Home, which is Hirarc. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mariama and my metric number is J46295. Okay, let's look into introduction. Okay, HIREC stand for Asset Identification, Risk Assessment and Risk Control. It is a systematic process used to manage workplace safety by identifying potential assets, assessing their associated risk, and implementing control measures to minimize or eliminate those risks. Okay, purpose of HIREC. The purpose of asset identification, risk assessment, and risk control is to systematically manage workplace safety by addressing potential assets and minimizing associated risk. The key purpose of HIREC include improve risk management, improving productivity, continuous improvement, emergency preparedness, protecting employee and assets, preventing accidents and injuries, compliance with regulation. Next, this is the flowchart of process of hiring. Now, let's jump into living room assets. Okay, first asset will be cracked chair. You can see here. So the activity will be using the chair for sitting, standing, or climbing. The effect of this chair will be the chair will be collapsing. We will be fall down. Risk analysis, likelihood 3, severity 3, risk will be 9. So the risk control, replace the cracked chair with a safe one. Okay, the second asset will be unsecure access or opening in the living room door. The cause will be unauthorized access, security breach, privacy concern, safely assets. Example, pets or small children wandering to go out. Okay, likelihood will be 3, severity will be 3, risk will be 9. To control this risk, encourage regular checks on to ensure doors are properly closed during security or safely checks. Okay, next we'll be watching, listening to loudspeaker at living room asset. Can cause loud music and disturb neighbors, family members, and even pets, causing stress, annoyance, and potential conflict. Risk analysis, likelihood 3, severity 3, and risk will be 9. Encourage responsible use of speaker by setting volume limits and avoiding excessive noise level, especially during late hours or when others are present. Okay, next asset will be using the activity will be using the living room for navigating around furniture and electronics. Asset will be unorganized wire, which can cause overheated and overloaded cables due to disorganization can increase the risk of fire. This can lead to significant property damage and endanger lives. Risk analysis, life food will be 2, severity will be 3, the total risk will be 6. Risk control, use cable ties, clips, or organizer to bundle and secure wires neatly along walls, baseboards, or behind furniture. This reduces tripping hazards and protect cables from damage. Okay, hazard will be incense stick near curtain, which can cause falling ember from the incense sticks around could land on the curtain, initiating it and causing a fire. This could potentially spread quickly and lead to significant property damage, injuries, or even fatalities. So the risk analysis will be 3, severity will be 4, risk will be 12. To control this risk, place the incense holder at least 3 feet or 1 meter away from any curtains or flammable materials. Okay, next we'll look into study room assets. Okay, the first study room asset will be leaving laptop and important things unattended. Before that, the work activity will be studying in a common study room. Okay, for leaving laptop, this can affect sensitive information stored on unattended laptop or documents left openly unaccessible can be compromised if accessed by unauthorized individual. This can lead to privacy breach and potential identity theft. So, risk analysis will be 3, severity will be 3, and the risk will be 9. To control this, secure your laptop and important things in a bag or locker and use a study locker to deter opportunity of thief. Next, work activity will be studying of or you using the study table for various tasks. The hazard will be sharp objects present on the study table, which can lead accidental contact with sharp object like knife, scissor, box cutter, or even broken pencil can lead to cuts, puncture, or scrapes. This can cause pain, bleeding, and potential infections also. So the risk analysis will be likelihood will be 1, the severity will be 4, risk will be 4. To control this, dedicate a secure storage container like a drawer, box, or organizer for sharp objects. When not in use, keep them away from the edges of the table and out of reach of children or pets. Okay, further, the asset will be keeping water glass or water bottle near to extension cables or electrical outlet in the study room. Okay, this actually can affect split liquid from the water glass or water bottle can into contact with extension cable or exposed wire creating a risk electrical shocks. So the risk will be likelihood 3, severity 4, the total risk will be 12. To control this, keep water glass and water bottle from extension cables and electrical outlets, ideally on a separate surface like a side table or shelf away from the study activity. So next asset will be overloaded assignments or workload which can mental and physically stress. So this can cause excessive stress from workload can lead to anxiety, depression, burnout, and difficulty concentrating. This can significantly impact academic performance and overall well-being. So the likelihood will be 2, the severity will be 5, risk will be 10. So to control this, promote effective time management technique to help students prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and break down large workload into manageable chunks. Okay, this is a common asset we can see, which is damaged cable charges, which can cause exposed wires or faulty connection in damaged charges can cause electrical shock ranging from mild tingling to potentially life-threatening injuries depending on the voltage and current involved. So the risk analysis will be likelihood 3, severity 5, risk 15. Risk control. Regularly inspect charges in the study room for sign of damage like frayed wires, cracked casing, or exposed metal parts. Remove and dispose of any damaged charges uh, immediately. Now the second home asset we are looking for is kitchen assets. So the work activity at kitchen will be cooking or using kitchen. So the asset will be keeping clothes near a gas stove. This will be physical asset, which can cause loose clothes or fabric can easily catch the fire from an open flame on the gas stove, leading to serious burn or even larger kitchen fire. This risk will be likelihood will be 4, severity 4. The risk will be 16. To control this risk, maintain a safe distance between your clothes and the gas stove. Avoid hanging clothes near the cooking area or leaving them on surface within reach of flames. So the hazard will be leaving the stuff unattended while cooking. Leaving unattended pots or pans on a hot stove can lead to overheating, boil over, or ignition of nearby flammable material causing a kitchen fire. This can have devastating consequences including property damage, personal injury, or even loss of life. So the risk analysis likelihood will be 5, severity will be 5, risk will be 25. Risk control, never leave cooking unattended. Always stay within sight and hearing of the staff while cooking. This allows you to react quickly to any potential problem like boil over or overheating as well. Okay, next, the asset will be using or storing sharp knife improperly. Cut and puncture, improper handling of sharp knife can lead to accidental cut, puncture, or laceration of two finger, hands, arms, or other body parts. This injury can range from minor scrapes to several wounds requiring medical attention. The likelihood will be 5, severity will be 4, total risk will be 20, which is so high. So, store sharp knife in designated holder, block, or shade preferably out of reach of kids or children's and pets. Avoid storing knife loosely in drawers or and countertops. Okay, now the next asset will be a dirty floor in the kitchen. So the work activity will be cooking, food preparation, cleaning, walking in the kitchen. So the cause will be a dirty floor can create an unpleasant and unsanitary environment, impacting overall hygiene and potential influencing food preparation activity negatively. So the likelihood will be 3, severity will be 3. So the total risk will be 9. So to control this risk, maintain a regular cleaning schedule for the kitchen floor, ensuring spills and uh, debris are cleaned promptly and thoroughly. So the final asset for kitchen will be improper storage and handling chemical items, chemical cleaning items, which is physical or chemical asset also. This can affect or cause accidental ingestion of cleaning products, particularly by children or pets, can lead to poisoning with symptoms ranging from stomach upset to severe organ damage or even death. So the risk analysis will be 3, likelihood 3, severity 4, risk will be 12. To control this risk, stock cleaning products in secure cabinet, preferably out of reach of children and pets. Consider child-proof latches for additional protections. Now, the third area we are covering is bathroom assets. Okay, so the first work activity using the bathroom for showering, washing hands, and cleaning purpose. So the asset will be an uncovered drain in the bathroom floor, which can cause an open drain can provide an entry or point of insect, cockroach, or even radiance, creating hygiene concern and potential uh, pest infestation. So the risk will be likelihood 3, severity 3, the risk will be 9. So to control this, install a proper fitting drain cover that matches the size and location of the drain in the bathroom floor. Choose a material that is slip resistant and durable as well. So the next hazard will be a rusted bathroom door. This can collapse door, broken hinges on sharp edges can cause cuts, bruise or more serious injuries depending on the severity of the accident. So the risk analysis likelihood will be 3, severity will be 1, so total risk will be 3. So to control this risk, evaluate the extent of the rust damage, its impact on the door, structural integrity, and functionally consult a professional if it is necessary. Okay, the next will be a slippery floor in the bathroom. So, the effect experiencing of witnessing a fall in the bathroom can be emotionally or distressing and cause fear or anxiety, impacting overall well-being and confidence in using the space. So, the risk analysis will be likelihood 3, severity 3, the risk will be 9. To control this, inform everyone about the potential hazard of slippery floor and encourage safe practice like avoiding running, stepping, conscious on wet surface, and cleaning up spill promptly. The next will be work activity using the bathroom, showering, bathing, washing hands, and cleaning. So the hazard will be uncover plug points near sinks, which can cause electrical component and outlet are not designed for contact with water. Exposure to water in the bathroom can further increase the risk of electric shock, burn, and short circuits. So risk analysis likelihood 5, severity 4, the risk will be 20. Risk control relocating the socket to location further away from water source and areas where contact with water is likely such as near the sink or bathtub. Normally the socket will be used for hair dryer, hair straightener, something like that. Okay, the next hazard will be a rusted pipe in the bathroom. Rusted pipe can provide a breeding ground for bacteria, especially in moist environmental, potentially increase the risk of waterborne illness. Risk will be likelihood for severity 1, the total risk will be 4. To control this, address the rusted pipe promptly depending on the severity of the risk. Minor rust can be treated with protective coating on sealants, while severely damaged pipe may require replacement. Okay, now let's move to the next, which will be bedroom assets. So next, the work activity will be sleep, rest, relaxing in bed, using phone or electronics in bed. Asset will be charging phone on the bed at bedroom. So this can affect leaving a charging phone near on a flammable material like bedsheet, pillow or clothing can increase the risk of fire of the phone overheat. The next bedroom asset will be leaving window open at night in bedroom. So leaving the window open expose occupants to potentially harsh weather condition like cold air, rain, wind, or insect impacting sleep quality and comfort. The risk analysis likelihood 3, severity 2, risk will be 6. To control this, make it a habit to close and lock the bedroom window before getting into bed to minimize the risk associated with an open window during at night. Okay, now next asset will be using phone under dim light in bed at bedroom. So this will be effect digital eye strain and long-term eye damage. So the risk analysis will be likelihood will be 5, severity will be 4, risk will be 20. This is most severe things almost happen every hour. So avoid phone use for at least 1 hour before going to bed. Okay, now next one is using an unsafe table fan, which is using cable tied or plastic rope to cover in bedroom, which can cause loose cover can create a tripping hazard leading to falls and potential injuries. Risk will be 5, severity will be 5, risk so total risk will be 25. So to risk control, ensure the fan proper safety cover that completely enclose the border to prevent um, accidental contact. Okay, the final hazard work activity, sleep, rest, relaxing in bed, reaching for medication if needed. So the hazard will be keeping medication on the table at bedroom. So this will be effect medication left easily accessible on table can accidentally ingested by children, pets, or even adults under the influence of alcohol or drowsiness. This can lead to poisoning, adverse reaction, and potential serious health consequences. So the risk analysis will be likelihood for severity for risk will be 16. So we should avoid this, control this risk by use a dedicated medicine cabinet or lock tray with limited access, ideally at a height or out of reach children and pets as well. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much.